Okay, I think I may own one of the most hated cars on TikTok, and I think that's kind of funny. Hi, I'm Alex, and today we're going to go for a quick spin around town in my Abarth. Looks lovely in this kind of sun we have right now with this light. It's well, this is the beginning of summer here in Spain. So yeah, we're going to go for a quick spin around town while we discuss about that because I think it's quite funny actually. So, I've seen a lot of videos on TikTok hating on this car. It's not that bad actually, but yeah, you get these kind of videos that I will show you on the screen now. And to me, it's kind of funny actually, because I don't know, I get this is just a Fiat 500 with some tuning, a better engine, better suspension and whatever, but it is after all Fiat 500. And it's not like I didn't know this when I got the car, right? So I knew what I wanted, and I knew it was this exactly thing, okay? So some people say that for the price is not that good, but to be honest, the current market is fucked up, okay? You can get one of these babies for around, let's say 70,000. Yeah, sorry, 17,000 or yeah, I got mine for around 18, okay? So I think it's an okay price. By the way, beautiful BMW. Let's go into sport mode and have some fun, okay? So yeah, I think for that price, this is actually fine in the current situation, because let's be honest, you can't really get a modern GTI or Cupra Leon or whatever hot hatch for this price. So yeah. Okay, roundabout. Let's hear that engine. I mean, I think that's kind of a fun experience. But yeah, let's actually talk about the hate this car gets on TikTok. So some people complain that yeah, the price is not that great. Other thing I've heard is that the performance is not great. This is kind of divided, to be honest, because you get some comments of people saying that it goes like a go-kart, and the horsepower to weight ratio is quite great, which I feel like it is. No, they're not crossing. Look at that. I love it. Let's be careful with the crosswalk. So I think performance-wise for the price, it's really nice. So I don't really get the hate. Yes, a GTI will always be better in terms of performance. I'm not so sure about the fan experience, because this truly feels like an old school car, and that's why I love it. But yeah, performance-wise, it's not the best hot hatch. Of course it's not. Comparing it to, let's say, a GTI Cupra, something like that, it's obviously going to perform worse. Okay, I get it. Now, I have to say that the most funny videos I've seen about the hating on this car is one. I'm going to, I think I've already show it on the screen. Okay, these guys are stopping here. Oh, look, an Abarth. Well, it's a Fiat. So yeah, it's when they say you hear a loud car in the street, and it's one of these forecast things or something like that. And I'm going to be honest, I think that's actually funny, because I've experienced that myself, just being on the street and hearing something really like loud and big, and suddenly it's just this Abarth. And I'm going to be honest, I think that's funny. Yeah, you may hate it and be like, fuck that, it's not whatever car, really, fuck it. But I love it. So yeah. By the way, guys, a little of context, because why not? We're in Albacete. This is my hometown. It's in Spain. It's the beginning of summer. The weather is lovely. Everything's fine. Life is cool, guys. I got the car detailed. Well, not detailed, but fully washed by hand, like last week, and it's looking shiny. I love it. So yeah, a lot of hate on this car. Yeah, also love comments. I have to be honest. I have seen a lot of love comments in those hate videos on TikTok saying that the car is actually fun and handles like a go-kart, so it's not all hate. By the way, I got it in manual, e-manual, because I like to have fun. Okay. All right, so life is good, guys. I want to know your opinion about the car. Hopefully get some hate comments on the video, and also love comments, because if you have tested this car, you should have an opinion. Okay, you might love it or you may hate it. Actually, I think it's impossible to be like in the middle. You can absolutely love it or hate it. There's no in between with this car. Let's be careful here. Okay, I don't want to let this girl merge. I'm right now in the sport mode. You can also, oh my god, the pigeon I almost crashed into it. You can also turn it off, and the car is more like a Fiat 500 if that's what you want. And for the daily usage, it's great. By the way, I daily this car, so I can also give you some information about it. So how it is as a daily? Well, it's really stiff. It's really not that comfortable. The seats are rather stiff also. But for me, I'm 24 years old. I want to have fun. So I don't really care about that right now. But I guess it's an important point to mention. Fuel consumption, you can see it here, 10 liters as daily in both city driving and a bit of highway and national roads in Spain. So it actually likes to drink fuel a lot. Oh my god, I love that car, guys. Can you believe it? What else do we have? Well, this interior, it's actually from 20 years ago, almost actually, now that I'm thinking about it. It's like 17 years ago when that first Fiat 500 came out. We've got a bit of redesign, like the screen, whatever. By the way, I have the manual climate controls, which works fine. Look where we are at right now. We're in the city center of Albacete. Quite lovely. What else do we have here? This carbon fiber does not come from stock. It is an add-on. This, however, it's from stock. The gear knob. Let's put sport mode back on. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the right. Let's go to the beginning spot. I don't want to. All right. Sometimes you have to, rev the baby. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's really rough, manual, all I want for this price, okay? What was that? Oh, the container. Look at that sound in these tiny streets. All right, here we are. By the way, guys, we're at almost 250 subscribers. I'm really grateful. We're growing organically, actually, and I'm enjoying a lot making these videos. Like, really, I love cars, and I don't find this any inconvenience. And to be honest, I'm going to be fully honest, this video really don't take a lot of editing, so I just record, do some post editing, but pretty easily. Also, the Yaris is cool. I have some friends that own the GR, and also it's a better machine than this, clearly. faster and everything, but it's on another price range though. Making some noise so people can turn around and think that something crazy is coming, but no, it's just a fucking Abarth. Sorry for the bad word, guys, but it's literally what it is. I'm in love with this car. Okay, runabout. Oh, okay, we can go. Let's be careful on the right. Is this guy going left? I don't know what he's doing. Oh, it's because we have cars here. By the way, it's really noisy. I hope the microphone it's doing its job. It's the DJI Mic Mini 2 or Mic Mini. I think it's a Mic Mini. My bad. It works really great. What was that? What was that? I think that was an AMG GT in blue. Let's see it, guys. Yes, it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's going up there. Let's follow him because we also are going that way, by the way, so it's fine. Yeah, it is. That's crazy. I don't think they came in that color. Oh, we're going to lose him. That's fine. So, yeah, guys, I want you to really comment. What do you think about this car? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Have you driven one? You think it's not that great? I think it's overhated, definitely. But what can I say? I own one, so I'm not being particularly fair. We have a stain here. Yeah, it goes. I don't know. Just enjoying life, guys. Okay, let's let the motorbike pass. Oh, little pops coming out from the exhaust, and it is completely stuck. That's just crazy. We can make it pop. I don't know if you can tell. The car is popping, guys. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but the bumps is just so hard. The suspension is really stiff, and yeah, it's not great as daily. But yeah, just so you can know, because I don't care really about that right now. But let's go this way. I used to study veer there. I don't know what I said, why I said veer. So I used to study there, guys. I'm a software engineer. And yeah, this is my uni. I had the luck of being able to study my degree in my hometown. Oh, another Abarth. Look at that. Let's follow that baby. What are the chances of this? Like, really? How are we going to do the little trick? I think we are both doing it. Because the suspension is not great. I love that. Nice car. Okay, bye-bye. We're going this way. So we had some nice encounters this video. Okay, let's see where we can park. Somewhere. I could park this here. Okay, quick little spin, guys. So, do you hate this car? I don't hate it at all. I'm just having fun. Let's park it here. All right. Look at that handbrake, old school. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. And this is it for the video, guys. Just let me know in the comments below all that stuff we talked about. And see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye-bye.